A helicopter crashed into the Hudson River near Jersey City around 3:30 p.m. Thursday. Emergency crews quickly responded and rescued 4 people from the water. Their conditions are currently unknown. Sadly, law enforcement has reported at least 1 fatality. The Coast Guard halted vessel traffic and set up a safety zone. Drivers near the West Side Highway and Spring Street should expect delays. This is a developing story. Stay tuned for updates.